Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin with preparation. Sign in using an administrator account so you can change registry keys and delete files. Once signed in, close Remote Desktop and any active sessions so entries aren't recreated. Next, press Windows plus R and type regedit or Open File Explorer as an administrator. This gives you access to the specific keys and files you'll modify. Make sure to export the registry key you'll change as a backup before proceeding. This protects you if something goes wrong. Once in regedit, navigate to hkcu/software/Microsoft/terminal server client/default and delete the MRU entries that list recent host names. This removes the typed history. Then expand servers under the same terminal server client path and remove any saved server subkeys to erase saved connection info. After that, open Control Panel, right arrow Credential Manager, and remove any Windows credentials or generic credentials related to the remote hosts. This deletes stored usernames and passwords so future connections start fresh. To finish, delete RDP cache files in %localappdata%\Microsoft/terminal server client cache so thumbnails and cache data are removed. Once done, restart Explorer or reboot the PC to ensure the recent list and UI update. This makes the deletions visible. If history still appears, make sure no group policy enforces recent connections, recheck both registry paths and credential manager, and verify you edited HKCU, not HKLM. If needed, restore your exported registry backup and retry carefully.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.